Hey guys, guess what? Myntra is giving free cash plus free gift as you see in the picture. Let's check out. First we'll see as how to get a coupon. As you see in the picture, you can go to Credit app. You can go to rewards, scroll down, and as selected brands you will find this Myntra, and you can click on Myntra as shown in the picture. Click on claim now. Once you click on that, you can pull down Myntra icon and you will see a coupon pop up, and you can copy the coupon code and click on redeem now, and you can add to cart the products here and go to coupons and apply the coupon. If at all the coupon is not applicable, it says you can view applicable products, and you can click on that and add to cart as shown in the picture. Once you add to the cart the products, you can go to cart, go to coupons and apply the coupon as shown in the picture and claim 600 off on your order. That's it, you can check out. Hello, namaste, how are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling, right? This is Flying Skies 1, welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos and offers. As you see in the picture, we have made some purchases on Myntra at 80% off. As you see here, you have got coupons for the first time users, you can check out. And you have got deals for every 2 hours on occasion of Myntra birthday sale. And you can see here how this plus size t-shirt is. It's pretty good, and you can give the review after you get the delivery. You will be given a Myntra credit for giving review on Myntra products as you see in the picture. And let me tell you, this is good quality product, and you have many other quality products on Hellcat you can check out. One more t-shirt, this is plus size. It's a fabulous design and paint on the t-shirt, and it seems trendy, stylish, and I'm showing the quality. It's premium quality. And coming to free cash, you can avail free cash after placing the order on Myntra. As you see here, this is XXL size, 46 size jeans pant, and you can see return or exchanges are acceptable only when you have this tag attached to it. So make sure when you go for trial, don't remove any tags. As you see in the picture, it's a good quality product. We have got just for 459 rupees at 80% off. We'll see as how to get free cash now. As you see in the picture, you can go to Myntra. For first time users, you have coupons flat 500 off by applying Myntra 500, and you have hot deals on the occasion of birthday sale of Myntra. And as you see in the picture, you have free gift on minimalist products for orders above 499. Here you can scroll down and see hot deals, and for every 2 hours the hot deals will come up. You can check out OMG trendy deals that are available. Here I've got this jewelry in hot deals section, and you can go for Gen Z stores as well. As you see here, you can add to the cart the products you want, go to cart, and you can go to payment offers and check out the payment offers. Despite the coupons that are available, you can come down and apply the coupon as shown here. It's beauty rewards. After applying this coupon, you can come down and select Myntra cash as shown in the picture, and Myntra cash is available only when you place the order, and this Myntra cash would be applicable on your next order. So as I have selected here, check out and place your order. After placing the order, you will have the scratch card appear on the screen. You can scratch and win free cash. Okay, now you can get back to Myntra home screen. Click on profile icon and click on my prices to see your free cash after placing the order. And you can go to coupons and check out for more coupons if you want. That's it, done. Thanks for watching.